Good morning, students. In module 7, we are going to discuss this chapter trigonometry, exercise 8.2, and this is first question or first part. In this first question, we are to evaluate this. And before we'll start this question, you all know that I told how to make this table of this all t ratios at the values of these all t ratios at different angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. I have, with the help of this, we are to solve these questions. It is very easy question, you know. Sine 60 is there. You go in the table and see, this is sine and sine 60 is this. So you put the value in place of this sine 60. This value is see the table, it is root 3 by 2 into cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos under this, it is root 3 by 2. So you put here root 3 by 2 plus sine 30. Sine 30, it is 1 by 2 into cos 60. Cos under this 60, 1 by 2. So we'll put this here 1 by 2. It is what? Root 3 into root 3. It is 3. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. And 2 into 2 it is 4. And you take LCM. What is this now? 4. Here it is 3 plus 1. It is 4 upon 4. This is 1. So my dear students, you are able to get these values and this 1 is your answer. So we are able to get the value of all these with the help of this table. This table is very necessary. You should know this and then you can do this question. Now we are to take next question. Second, you are the same type. You will do yourself. Now I am discussing this third part because here some students they commit mistake in evaluating this. You see third part. In this third part, what has been given? It is given cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. I think you know this cos 45. What is this now? Cos 45. Again go in the table and see under this cos 45. What is this? 1 by root 2. You put the value 1 by root 2. Then sec 30. What is sec 30? This is sec 30. 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. 2 plus 2. What you will do now? This value we have done. Trigonometry work we have finished. From here we will just simplify this. Some students they commit mistake in simplifying this. You see how to solve this? How to simplify it? 1 by root 2. Then you will take LCM. LCM is root 3. What with this? It is 2 plus 2 root 3. Now it will go reciprocal. What we got? This become 1 by root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. I am going to from here root 3 into 1. It is root 3 upon. If we multiply this, what we got? 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Now, if you further simplify it, you have to rationalize. And you know how to rationalize. If it is plus, then it is you change the conjugate. Multiply and divide by its conjugate. Means change the sign of this. It is what? Root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Now what you will do? You are to multiply this. Root 3 will multiply by this 2 root 2. What will it become? It is 2 root 6 minus. It is what? 2 root 18 upon. What is this now? A plus B, A minus B. What it become? 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. What is this now? 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 upon 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8 minus, what is this now? 2 square 4, 4 is a 24. Now what you can do here, from upper side what is common? You can take common is 2 root 6. Here what is left? From here 2 is common and from there root 6 is common. So what is left here? 1 minus, here it is root 3 upon 8 minus 24. It is minus 16. Then you cut this 2 8s and the minus will go upside, and this is minus root 6 into 1 minus root 3 upon 8. This is your answer. Or you can take root 3 minus 1, then minus minus plus it becomes. You can do that also, otherwise you can leave here also. So my dear students, trigonometry is not a problem. You have to just put the values here and simplify this as you have done in your class 9. Now, in the same way, you are able to solve this complete exercise 8.2 all parts. In the same way, you are to see third part, second question also. Now we are to discuss this third question. Very good question and example also. In third question, there are same type. There is in question number 3. What has been given? If, what is the question? You see, I am writing question number 3. If 10a plus b equal to root 3 and 10a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. And what is this now? Find a and b. And what is a plus b? Greater than or less than equal to 90 degree. Now what is given? If means given. Now see my dear students, what has been given? You see 10a plus b equal to root 3. It is given to you. 10a plus b equal to root 3. But in 10, if you go in this table, what you will find? In 10, where is root 3? 10, root 3 is here when theta is 60 degree. When theta is 60 degree, then 10 is root 3. It means what we can do, because 10 60 equal to root 3 according to table, you know. So in place of root 3 we can write 1060. So 10 a plus b equal to 1060. Some students, what they will do, I will tell you. First of all, please see again. This has been given this tan is trigonometric function, it is here tan. We go in table, see where this root 3 is there, and root 3 is tan 60. So in this column tan 60 we got this value root 3. So in place of this root 3, what we can write? We can write tan 60. So in place of root 3 we write tan 60. This is equal sign. On comparing, if we compare, on comparing means we see the left hand side and right hand side. In place of tan, tan is there, and this is theta and this is theta. In place of this angle, it is written a plus b, and this is 60. It means this value, both values will be equal only when this value of a plus b equal to 60. Again I am telling, both the things will be same only when this angle, both angles are same. So on comparing, we can say a plus b equal to 60, and you take it equation first. In the same way, you will see this also. Tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. It is given. Again go in tan. In tan, where is 1 by root 3? It is 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you will write, because tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So in place of 1 by root 3, we can write tan 30. Tan a minus b equal to tan 30. Now again same way, on comparing, we can write on comparing. If we compare this again, what you got? A minus b equal to 30. A minus b equal to 30. This is second. These two equations, as you have done in linear equation chapter, these are two variables, x plus y equal to 60, x minus y equal to 30. If it is given, then how you can find the values of x and y? Same way here also, if a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30, then how you can get it? If there is b is same, here it is plus, here it is minus. If we add, b is cancelled. If we subtract, then a is removed. So my dear students, either by subtracting or adding, you can get it the one variable value. Means we can say elimination method, substitution method, any method you apply and solve this for a and b. What is this now? If I do adding first and second, what is this? A plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. If we add it, this is cancel out. This is 2a equal to 90, 60 plus 30, 90. And a equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45. A equal to 45 degree. Now what you will do? You will put the value a in equation first. If we put the value, putting value of a in equation first, what you got? In place of a, what you write? It is 45 plus b equal to 60. And what is this now? It is b equal to 60 minus 45 and b equal to 15 degree. So answer we got a equal to 45 degree and b equal to 15 degree. So my dear students, you know we are able to get a value of a and b. So this is the way that you are able to get the values of a and b. This has been given to us, and then we see the value where it we get the root 3 in 10. We got this from table. 1060 is root 3. We compare that, then a plus b equal to 60, and the same way we will do this this 10 a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Again we see where 1 by root 3 is there, it is the value of tan theta, tan 30, 1 by, so we can write in place of, then comparing this, never cut this, you just compare it, the angle becomes equal. So now, my dear students, you are able to do this. Same question is example, I can say, example 8 also. This is the same question, you are to, what has been given to you? If sine a minus b equal to 1 by 2, cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2. Then you go in sine, and then cos, and then compare, and then add, and you will get the same way. So you try to solve this example also. So my dear students, in this exercise 8.2, there is nothing. It is only based on the values of these all t ratios. You have to just put the values and then solve it or evaluate it. Thank you. And in next module 8, we will discuss exercise 8.4. That is prove the identity. We will write something which is used. So thank you, my students.